Today we're exploring one of the most hard-working organs inside your body, the kidneys. Even though each kidney is only about the size of your fist and weighs around 150 grams, together they filter nearly 180 liters, or 50 gallons, of blood every single day. From all this filtration, they produce just 1 to 2 liters of urine. The kidneys silently remove toxins, balance your body's fluids, regulate blood pressure, and even help keep your bones and blood cells healthy. So let's dive inside the kidney and understand its complete anatomy in 3D. The kidneys work closely with the ureters, bladder, and urethra to eliminate waste from the body. Together, they maintain the perfect balance of water, salts, and minerals, making sure your entire body runs smoothly. Now let's zoom into the kidney and explore its major structures one by one. 1. Adrenal gland, located right above each kidney like a tiny hat. The adrenal gland isn't part of the urinary system, but sits closely on top. Function: produces important hormones, adrenaline, cortisol, and aldosterone, which regulate metabolism, stress response, and blood pressure. 2. Renal capsule, a strong, thin outer covering of the kidney. Function: protects the kidney from injury and infection and helps maintain its shape. 3. Renal cortex. This is the outer region beneath the capsule. Contains nephrons, the tiny filtration units that clean your blood. Most filtration of blood begins here. 4. Renal medulla, or renal pyramids. The inner region is made up of triangular structures called renal pyramids. Function: carries filter fluid into the collecting ducts and moves urine toward the renal papilla. 5. Renal papilla. The tip of each pyramid is called as renal papilla. Function: drains urine into the minor calyces. 6. Minor calyx, a small cup that collects urine from a papilla. 7. Major calyx, formed when multiple minor calyces join together. 8. Renal pelvis, a funnel-shaped cavity that collects urine from the major calyces. Function: channels urine into the ureter. 9. Ureter, a muscular tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder through rhythmic contractions. Now let's discuss the blood supply of the kidney. The kidneys receive 20 to 25% of your total blood supply, more than any other organ except the liver. 10. Renal artery, the main artery that brings unfiltered blood into the kidney. 11. Renal vein, carries filtered blood back to the heart. 12. Interlobar arteries travel between the pyramids. 13. Interlobular veins, also travel between the pyramids, carrying filtered blood. 14. Arcuate arteries and veins, curve along the border of the cortex and medulla. 15. Hilus or hilum. This is the entry and exit gate of the kidney. Here you'll find renal artery, entering; renal vein, exiting; ureter, exiting. Think of it as the portal of the kidney. Now let's discuss the main functions of the kidney. 1. Filters waste from blood, removes toxins, urea, drugs, and excess substances. 2. Regulates fluid and electrolyte balance, controls sodium, potassium, calcium, and water levels. 3. Controls blood pressure, releases renin, which adjusts blood vessel constriction. 4. Stimulates red blood cell production, produces erythropoietin, signaling bone marrow to make RBCs. 5. Balances pH levels, maintains proper acid-base balance. 6. Activates vitamin D, helps your bones absorb calcium and stay strong. Now let's recap kidney structures one by one. 1. Adrenal gland. 2. Renal capsule. 3. Renal cortex. 4. Renal papilla. 5. Minor calyx. 6. Major calyx. 7. Renal pelvis. 8. Renal pyramids. 9. Interlobular vein. 10. Interlobular artery. 11. Arcuate artery. 12. Renal vein. 13. Renal artery. 14. Hilus. 15. Arcuate vein. 16. Ureter. Your kidneys are truly silent heroes, working 24/7 to keep your blood clean, your fluids balanced, and your body healthy. I hope this video helped you understand the basic concepts, anatomy, and functions of the kidney. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. How for more amazing 3D medical videos.